Good morning again, students. Let us see how to construct a pie chart with the given data here. The data given here is on the genre of the music liked by different students, where you can see the different types of students which we call here in terms of data, we call it components. So the genre of the music are the components here, which is very important aspect. These are classical, rock, pop, country, jazz, and then the last column we keep for total. The number of students who likes classical is 14, like rock is 8, like pop music is 18, country is 12, jazz is 20. Total is 72. Now we have this data in hand. Now the question is to construct a pie chart for this data. So constructing for pie chart, what we need is central angle. As you know, for finding central angle, there are two different ways. The way I would prefer here to find, for each student, let us find the central angle. For one student, how much is the central angle? We know the total central angle in a circle is always 360 degree. We have total number of students as 72 here, and so the central angle per student will be 5. How is it coming as 5? You can see we have the total central angle as 360 degree divided by the total number of students, that is 72, and when you divide it you get 5 as answer because it gets cancelled by 5. So 5 degree is the angle for central angle for one student. Now if I want to find the central angle for each of the component, like for classical there are 14 students, so what will be the total angle for the classical music? Is simply you have to multiply it by 5, which I have already done it here. You can see it is 14 multiplied by 5, that is 70 degree. 8 multiplied by 5 is 40 degree. For pop music, the central angle is 90 degree. For country music, the central angle is 60, and 100 for jazz music. So the total central angle comes to 360. It means our calculation is perfectly all right. Now coming to the construction part, as I already told you in my last video, what we need to do is we need to take a radius of approximately 4 to 5 centimeter. That is not a compulsion that you have to take only 4 or 5 or 3 centimeter. You can take any measure. What is the purpose here to take 4 centimeter? That you are making a radius circle which is large enough to represent all your data. You have to write the details, you have to shade, so it should have you should have enough space inside the circle. So this is my circle for which we are going to make the pie chart or circle graph. The center is here. So what is the first thing we need to do? We need to draw one radius, which a straight radius, which as if you are making a 12 o'clock sign. So you make a straight, it should be just one radius from center you are drawing. Now for the first data, that is 70 degree, what you need to do is you need to measure 70 degree from your protractor, putting it at center. Then you will start measuring. Now when you are measuring from protractor, you need to take care that it start from 0. 0 is on the upper part of the protractor, so this comes here, the 70 degree comes here. You will join this with the help of this ruler here. You join it. This gives you the first sector. This is your 70 degree, and you mention the sector belongs to what? Classical music. Classical. All right. Now the second is for rock music, which is 40 degree. Now you will start measuring into the second component, that is rock music. Rock music number of students is 8. but what is important to see is the central angle. For rock music, central angle is 40 degree. So to measure 40 degree, we will put again our protector at the center, and 0 should match with the radius, which is the end point of the classical music, and we'll start measuring from 0 to 40 degree, and this gives you the point 40 degree for rock music. Now we will join it to get the sector for rock. This is 40 degree and rock music. Alright, now coming to the third, which is pop music. Pop music is 90 degree. Again we will measure 90 degree from here, 90 degree from the center. I hope you are noticing how to measure the angle. Every time we are using the radius which is ending with the component, the last component. So 90 degrees here, we will join this again to get our sector for pop music. This is 90 degree and this is pop music. Now this the second next one is country music. Country music is 60 degree. Again we will put our protector at the center and taking as the new radius which we have just got, and putting our point for 60 degree, which may be outside. Let us not draw the radius which crossing the arc of the circle. It will not look nice, so we will just keep it inside. Then the last one is 100 degree. Now keeping all this, after adding all this, the last sector should remain as 100 degree. If all angles are made correctly, you can measure it and you can see this is already 100 degree. So this 100 degree, the remaining one is for your jazz music. So this is how you make sectors. But your work is not yet done. What you need to do is you need to make the legend and shade it with different marks. Like this one is for, this one will be for classical. The second one you can put some dots or something like that, or you can use your color. As I said, you can use your colors also. For different color, different legend can be made. Rock is for this one. Pop, you can make triangles inside, or any kind of shading you can do, whatever is your liking. And one of them you can leave blank also. Blank is so that it can be distinguished by itself. This one is for pop, and maybe this one is for your, what was this? This one was for country. So this one is for country. And the last one, which is blank, is for jazz. Right? So this is how you make this is how you make a pie chart with the given data to you. It looks better if you use crayon to color it with a different color, so that you can mention in the legend with the different colors. Thank you very much, students. Thank you, and you practice with some data in the book, and make some nice pie charts with colorful, use coloring it with crayons. Thank you very much.